Hello, once again, welcome back to Shankar's channel. So, this demo will be about how you can set up a small pipeline. I will not cover the integration of Git for this video. I have already segregated the demos for each of the uh, stuff. So this I'll just show you how you can create pipeline which will be executed to the Jenkins agent we created and connected in our last videos, Linux and Windows. I can show you right here. So this is the master built-in node, which we don't have to worry about. This is what we have, like Linux and Windows agent we have connected. So here the entire motto is to show you the nodes we have connected, how you can make use of those nodes. So I'll just give this small example for Linux and Windows execution of job. I will not, create any. I will create pipeline, but that would be freestyle pipeline. So freestyle would have like kind of freedom to type the command on our own, and then we'll see how it gets executed using the node. So I'll create two pipelines. One is demo pipeline Linux, and it will be freestyle project. And I'll go back again, dashboard. I'll say freestyle project again, demo pipeline, Windows. Okay, this again. Now we have two pipelines. I'll go here on Linux, say configure. Now what I'll do here is I'll restrict this project to use the label. If you remember, told you while we were creating the agents that when you configure the agent, whatever labels you have put here, this is very important to have, right? So you can use this right here, and it says, yeah, then label agent Linux matches one node because we already have label defined for it. Now what I'll do, I'll show you because it is Linux, so I'll execute one shell command. And since we don't have much in our Linux machine, and but we know that we have installed Java, so what I'll do, I'll check Java version, right? I'll hit apply. I'll go back to the pipeline, and now here I'll say build now. So in some time you would see there is something came up and it says success, and it shows you the result. What is that? So it gives you what command you have asked Linux agent to run. Linux agent Linux has run it, and if you have seen, this message is clearly indicates that it is running on agent Linux machine, right, with the label agent Linux. And this shows you the output of what version do we have. So if it doesn't find anything, it leads to a failure of the job, but this time we got success. So I'll show you how failure looks like. So what I'll do, I'll go back to configure again. If what if I do java hyphen, suppose I'll not put any hyphen here, right? I say apply, and then go back to the pipeline, and then again build now. So your so first of all, the success message, if you see, it shows the right check, and then the failure indicates the wrong, the cross check symbol. So it says that it could not find this, shell, and the class that you are trying to get it from the machine. It could not find it because this is not a valid command at all, right? So likewise, we have another Windows machine. First, I don't want to see this, so I'll do the good one now. I'll hit again if an hyphen, I'll save it, I'll build it, and it would have the positive sign. Yeah, success one. Now I'll go back here on the Windows one. I'll say configure. Here I would restrict to use this on Windows machine, which is this one. Win agent is the label, so I'll say win agent. Matches one node, but since it is Windows machine, so I will not hit shell. I'll go ahead with the Windows batch command. So I will not uh, do any modification. I'll run the same command, but it will be executed as the batch file in the Windows agent. I'll say apply and then save. I'll hit build now. Let's see what output we get. So it has picked up a Java version. If you see, it has already created a workspace demo pipeline in the machine, and it has picked up the Java version from the machine, and it throws the Java version here as an output. So this is what we wanted to achieve. So in next topic, what we'll cover, we'll create new item here, but this time it will be demo pipeline and the pipeline stuff. If I hit OK, I'll show you how you can, you won't see that stuff here, restrict and with the label expression, but how you can define it, how you can make it uh, working using that node. I'll cover that. Along with that, I'll also cover how you can integrate it with uh, Git. Okay. So in the next topic, we'll also have how we can, use uh, the pipeline script from SCM. Here I would define Git. I'll mention the URL as well here. I'll show you how you can do that, right? And using Jenkins file, which we don't have created yet, but it is not very difficult. It's very quick one. I'll cover this in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.